Mold project optimization. The mold process is more reasonable and clearer with the customizable assembly tree, and the layout is flexible enough now for more things. In the mold project, you can define the cavity type, specify a project folder, and the preset assembly tree file. Different cavity type has different assembly tree structure. In this version, load model is necessary before you lay out the cavities. One or more products can be loaded in the project. The products are in the list and you can change the coordinates for each of them. What's more, they can be patterned as a unit to get more cavities. After that, you can start the parting design. When you finish the trimming of cavity and core, they will load the assembly tree. Switch to another product. As you can see, the parting design of different products are independent. And the cavities are not combined in the end. The other project is to talk about multi-combined cavity type. When we switch the cavity type, the preset assembly tree file is also changed. Load the model. Lay out the single product. Set the cavity number and space. You can also change the layout direction. Parting design is similar. Parting regions, inner patched, and parting surfaces. But you need to combine the cavities before you create a workpiece. Then remove the overlaps. Create a workpiece and trim it to cavity and core. The optimized mold project is now adaptable for more varieties of mold design.